Now how many theorems I have discussed with you? 3 theorems I guess. Now the remaining 2 are from tangents. Hope you remember the concept of tangent. For the tangents, what you need one small circle. Just within 2 minutes. What is the circle? Circle is set of points which are at fixed distance from the, which are equal distance from the fixed point. When you join this, you are getting one circle. So remember, it is set of points. This is the center of the circle. Suppose I draw one chord AB. Now the same point I will bring it down. Same chord I will bring it down, and there will be one point that A and B will coincide. So this point, through this point, I will draw one line. So the line touches the circle only at one point. So this line which is touching the circle at one point, you call it as tangent. Now this point, and this is called as point of tangency. It is called as point of tangent, and this is nothing but the radius. The radius and tangent always make an angle of 90 degrees. Keep this in your mind as a property. Now there is one circle. Okay, I didn't tell you the statement, right? Okay. The statement is tangents drawn to a circle from external points are equal. They have reduced the theorem, very simple. The tangents drawn from the external points. Tangents drawn from what? From external points are equal. You can take a textbook and see. So this is the point. This is easy, so I am not writing it. The previous two were confusing, so I focused it how to remember the diagrams. Now here, these are the tangents. This is the point of tangency, A and B. I just now told you about the property. Circle, center of the circle, from the center if I draw one line, that becomes the radius. Radius and tangent make an angle of 90. Radius and tangent make an angle of 90. I can draw this as a construction, because now I need to prove AB is equal to BP. So this is given. What is given to you? Given circle with center what? O. And then what? P is a external point. Now AP and BP are the tangents. Now what you need to prove? AP is equal to BP. You need a construction for that. Just now what I did, I took this and joined. That's all. Join OP. Now how to start the proof? My focus is proving these two. So what I will do now, I will take this triangle AOP and triangle BOP, 90, 90, radius, side. So I can apply the postulate RHS. So what triangle? AOP. In triangle AOP, then what triangle is that? Right angle triangle. So again, right angle triangle BOP. Now I just now told you this is 90. AOAP angle OAP is equal to OBP angle OBP. It is right angle. Now OA. OA is equal to OB, radius of the circle. So that becomes the side, they are equal. Then OP is the common side. And it also acts as a hypotenuse. RHS. Therefore, triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOP. Now since it is congruent, what you are proving now? Because it is congruent by what postulate? RHS postulate. Therefore, AP is equal to BP. Now, On this, you will be having so many questions for 1 mark or 2 marks, whatever it is. See, suppose this is a triangle given. Just now I have learned the theorem. What is the theorem you learned? AP is equal to BP. That theorem what I am learning becomes the property here. So suppose they give you in the given figure, P is external point, A and P are the point of tangency. If AP is given as 5 centimeters, then what is BP? BP also will be 5 centimeters. Now, sometimes they give like this. Now here, in the previous syllabus, they had asked us to prove all this, but now they have cut it short. Only one side is asked. So here, these two angles are equal, and these two angles are equal. So now what happens here? They will give you this angle, and this one, and they will ask you APB. Apply this. This is 30. This also has to be 30. 90, 30, 120. So this will be 60. This also will be 60. So sums like this will be asked on this theorem. So this is the theorem on tangent. One tangent. Second one more theorem.